Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and pair these Obage DT-51 speakers using Bluetooth with your smartphone. So we're actually going to play some music from a smartphone on these speakers. So this is everything that you get when you buy these speakers. You get both the speakers themselves. These are really solid heavy speakers, each have 50 watts of output, and you get a bunch of cables. Now I'm not going to need these cables, but assuming if you were to say hook this up to a television or to your DTH, then that's when you would actually need these cables. For the purpose of this video, since I'm going to be using Bluetooth, which is inbuilt, I don't need these cables, so I'm just going to put them off to the side. There's also a user manual and there are instructions as to how to actually use this. So all of this we don't need right now, so we're just going to keep that to one side. And the first thing you need to do is obviously you need to take the power cable. Now the power cable is attached onto this speaker right here. You need to hook the power cable up, so that's the first thing that I'm going to do. So there you go, the power is plugged in. On the other speaker you need to connect this other speaker to this. So actually at the back, I'll turn it around. You can see that there are these two connectors. This is where these wires go. Okay, and this is your woofer. It says speaker, so that will just get connected like that. So this is now connected to this, and if you see on the side of this speaker right here, there are a whole bunch of controls. So that's the power switch right there, which I'm going to switch on. Okay, this is now on. As you can see, there are separate individual controls for treble, bass, and a separate volume. You also have an optical in, there's a FM antenna in, and different cables for your aux. So on the front of the speaker right here, there is a little control panel that's given. This also has an aux in, and it says mode. There's also a provision for you to put an SD card. I'm gonna press mode, and it says blue, so this is probably Bluetooth. What I'm going to do now is, on my smartphone, I'm going to go into my Bluetooth settings and I'm going to click pair new device. Now as soon as you click pair new device, I don't know if you guys can see this, but these basically show up as OBAGE, Obage. Okay, let me come around to the other side. I'll actually show it to you. So there you go. These actually show up as Obage, these speakers. I'm gonna just go ahead and click pair on these. It says pair with Obage. I'll just click pair. There you go, you heard the sound right there. Now these are paired. Now let me just go ahead and play something. Alright. Let's actually turn up the volume and see how loud these go. So right now I'm increasing the treble, the bass is on full, and now I'm going to turn up the volume. So the volume is on full right now. So as you can see, as you can hear, it's quite thumpy and quite bassy. Obviously you want to keep these at quite a distance apart. You don't want them close to each other, so placement is very essential. Also please note that these are indoor speakers. They're not meant to be used outdoors. So there you have it, folks. That was how you actually set up and you actually play music from your smartphone using Bluetooth on the Obage DT-51 speakers. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.